Objective Experiment 3A. To use the principles of Pascal law in determining the pressure using the pressure gauge through barometric equation. Firstly, close the valve V4, V5, V6 and V7. Meanwhile, V3 was opened. Switch on the water pump and regulate the flow rate slowly using V1. Slowly open the V2 and let the water flow to a higher level of tank 130 mm. Close V2 after reaching the desired level and record the height. Switch off the pump and record the pressure gauge through the electrical pressure gauge. You need to obtain minimum of 5 readings for the experiment. Reduce the height of the water level by slowly open V2. Compare experimental results between the gauge pressure and calculated pressure readings. Objective Experiment Part D. To apply the principles of Boyle's law. Close V2, V4 and V6. Open valve V5 and V7 until reading of BPG and DPG shows 0 gauge. Record the volume of air V1A and V1B. Switch on the main board and water pump. Open V4 and let the water flow into the 200 mm tank. When water flows stop by itself, close V4. V6 was slowly opened until water flow reached the second mark on 100 mm tank. The new volume and pressure in both tanks V3A, V2B, P3A and P2B were recorded. The valve V6 was further opened until water stopped flowing into 100 mm tank. Then the new volume and pressure in both tanks were recorded. All the valves were open to release the water level. The pump and the main board were switched off. Experiment Part 3C. To apply principle of the buoyancy law in determining buoyancy forces. Hang the aluminium bar to the weighing scale and record the weight W1. The Iruka can was filled with the water. Then the aluminium bar was fully submerged into the water in Iruka can and the water was flowed into the main cylinder. The weight after submerged, W2 and the volume of water displaced was recorded. The experiment was repeated using different type of aluminium bars.